Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard mandazi. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Don't forget a pinch of cardamom for that authentic flavor. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your flour, sugar, baking powder, and cardamom. Give them a good stir to ensure everything is evenly distributed. In another bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, and melted butter until they are well combined. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. This initial step is crucial for a consistent texture. Once your dough is formed, it's time to knead. Transfer it to a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Next, roll out the dough to an even thickness of approximately 1/4 inch. Use a sharp knife or a pizza cutter to cut your mandazi into your preferred shapes, like triangles or squares. This uniform thickness helps them cook evenly. Finally, it's time to fry. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few mandazi into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once cooked, remove them and let them drain on paper towels. Serve your warm, crispy hard mandazi as a delightful snack or breakfast treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.